an action for declaration of non-infringement, the UPC determines whether a specific act does not or a planned act would not constitute an infringement of a patent or a SCP. An action for declaration of non-infringement is based on non-infringement arguments. Only if a parallel action for revocation has been filed with the UPC, also invalidity arguments are considered. An action for declaration of non-infringement is only admissible basically in the following two constellations. In the first constellation, the patentee or licensee has already asserted the patent infringement against the plaintiff out of court. Alternatively, in the second constellation, the plaintiff has proactively requested the patentee or licensee to acknowledge non-infringement, but the patentee or licensee has not done so within 3 months. An action for declaration of non-infringement shall be lodged with the Central Division unless the parties have agreed otherwise. In order to prevent forum shopping, filing an action for declaration of non-infringement does not prevent the patentee or licensee from filing an infringement action before another division. Also, an action for declaration of non-infringement pending before the Central Division shall be stayed once a corresponding infringement action is brought before a local or regional division within 3 months after filing of the action for declaration of non-infringement. The course of the proceedings corresponds to that of infringement and revocation proceedings, but with significantly shortened deadlines for filing of briefs. This means that the proceedings consist of a written procedure, an interim procedure, and an oral procedure. In the written procedure, the patentee or licensee has to file their statement of defense within 2 months instead of 3 months, and each subsequent brief has to be filed within 1 month instead of 2 months. Whether this tightened schedule has an impact on the overall length of the proceedings remains to be seen. Compared to a national action for declaration of non-infringement, the action for declaration of non-infringement before the UPC provides a decision and thus legal certainty across all UPC member states in single proceedings.